Hello guys, today we're gonna make a caprese. It's an Italian appetizers and it really goes well with toasted bread, toasted garlic bread. We need 1 pound of mozzarella cheese, pre-sliced, Roma tomatoes, fresh basil, balsamic, vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, and Italian herbs. So what I did here, I just scored the tomato to kind of like it's easier to slice a tomato that way. You get even slices, and it's much easier. Yeah, here I've taken them out and plated with the caprese, and I left them in the oven a little too long, I must admit it. But overall, it's not too bad.